In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 2-player on FC24 online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are two ways to play with a friend online in FC24, depending on if you want to be on the same team or compete against each other. So I'm gonna cover both of these options in this video. If you want to play co-op together, this is going to be a great option to team up with your friend and take on other players. Keep in mind that you are going to need an online subscription if you are doing this process on a console. So if you are on Xbox, you will need a Game Pass or Live Gold subscription active, and for PlayStation, you need PlayStation Plus. And of course, each of you needs to have a separate EAFC24 account. So to play co-op online, make sure that both of you have added each other as friends on your EA accounts. You can check your EA friends list beforehand or when you get the pop-up related to the friends list on your console. When you go over to the play section within Ultimate Team, you will be able to look for co-op lobby. So go over to Ultimate Team and select co-op lobby. You will then have the option to invite your friend so both of you can play together. In there, invite them from the EA friends list, they will get a notification that they can accept, and now both of you are ready to play. The host will be able to choose a squad and queue up for any of the available modes, such as squad battles, division rivals, or specific online friendlies together. If you want to play against each other, then you can face off in various online modes. You can do online seasons, where you will be able to pick a club and climb the leaderboard through ranked matches. You and your friend can search for each other in the same division and be matched up eventually, or you can do online friendlies, which is a more casual option where you can choose specific rules and settings for the match, and likewise, you will be able to invite your friend directly for them to play against you only. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 2-player on FC24 online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.